What's up, everybody? It's Dr. J here, and I've been a practicing chiropractor now for 30 years. I've been asked to review some of these TikTok self-cracking videos, so buckle up, get ready, because it's going to be fun. Okay, all kinds of crazy things happening here, but the first thing that I see is this young woman cracking her neck by using a long lever. This is the antithesis of a chiropractic adjustment. The chiropractic adjustment is a short lever, high velocity, low amplitude thrust applied in specific directions of the spine to move joints that are not moving correctly. What is happening with this young lady most likely is that she's moving joints. These joints are gapping, where you're hearing this sound that is created by a gas bubble forming. These joints that she's cracking are probably already hypermobile. They're already probably moving too much to compensate for joints that are not moving well. As far as these extremity adjustments, where she's just putting her body through ranges of motion and you hear the joints cracking, there is no issue with that whatsoever. Nor are there any issues with people cracking their knuckles directly.
Okay.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
That was nice. Oh my gosh.
Why are you the way that you are?
So what I'm seeing is this young couple that are kind of stretching and hearing all these pops coming out of this young lady's spine. And what's happening is this person's spine is creating these sounds due to gas bubble formation. And these joints that are creating these gas bubbles, these joints that are gapping, probably already hypermobile. And while there is some temporary relief because you're stimulating mechanoreceptors, which feels good, there's probably joints that are stuck in the spine that need to be addressed. I almost find it hard to believe.
Inconceivable! You keep using the word. I don't think it means what you think it means.
I don't understand why people are using these tools to try and mobilize their spine when they really don't know what they're doing to their spine. I have a hard time with that. Don't try that at home, kids.
Okay, I don't know if you guys saw my last video of the girl doing like that.
I'm already going to be annoyed.
This works better. Okay, you're on your stomach. Your right knee is bent out to the side. Right hand goes through. Again, I have zero mobility. This hand is gonna go on the forearm and I'm gonna twist. You guys probably didn't hear that. Let's try the other side.
We didn't hear it because nothing happens.
Oh, I already got a crack. Hand on the forearm, use it to twist. Oh, that was pretty good.
These folks that are wanting to hear snapping and cracking sounds out of their spine, while again it feels good because you're getting mechanoreceptor stimulation, it's not actually creating a healthy spine. And it's great if you want to have 1 million TikTok views, go ahead and do this, but just realize that this self-mobilization is not addressing some of the hypomobile joints in your spine that is then creating hypermobile joints to compensate for overall global mobility. So great for TikTok views, probably not so great for your spine. Beautiful waterfall scenery. That's it? That was it? She just laid on a spine thing? Were you recording that? Yeah. All I can say is, hey, that could be great to improve segmental and even more global extension in the spine. Could be helpful, but nothing is going to take the place of a chiropractic adjustment that's specific to the joint that is not functioning correctly that a chiropractor, a doctor of chiropractic, is going to address and then prescribe the appropriate flexibility and or stability exercises to normalize that joint over time.
This one's gonna be for your ankle. I'm gonna loosen it up. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Nope, don't like that. No, don't like that.
Great for TikTok views. If you want true spinal health, go see your chiropractor. While self-cracking may seem to be an exciting thing to watch on TikTok, it may even feel good for you temporarily. If you want to improve spine function, decrease pain, decrease stiffness, and improve overall spinal health, seek out an appropriate evidence-based doctor of chiropractic who prescribes a multimodal approach to spinal health. Don't forget to like this video and please make sure you subscribe for more videos like this on how to take care of your body so you can be healthier and happier. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see y'all in the next video.